One of my favorite ways to make any dessert look extra fancy is by putting some sugared berries on it, whether it's cake or ice cream or in fruity drinks. And making sugared berries is actually really simple. Let me teach you how to do it today. What is up, you guys? It is Carly here, and you are officially cooking with Carly. And today I'm teaching you how to sugar berries. I love to sugar berries for a variety of things, items, reasons. First, they taste amazing. They're really easy to make, and they just make everything fancy. Like on top of cakes is one of my favorite ways, or like a sugar cookie with frosting on it and a nice little sugared strawberry is super cute. This is a great way to make desserts fancy for weddings or for showers, like a bridal shower, baby shower, things of that nature. I love to keep this trick up my sleeve, especially around the holidays. Everything should be sugared at Christmas time. To make our sugared berries using my method, all we need is water and sugar and some berries. Some people actually use egg whites and sugar, but I'll be honest, that kind of grosses me out. And so I found a different way that works really well, and the sugar hardens and it stays onto the fruit perfectly. The process that we'll go through when sugaring our berries is, first we're going to make a simple syrup out of equal parts water and sugar by tossing that in the microwave for about a minute until the sugar is dissolved. We've got a nice syrup. Then we're going to dip our fruit into the syrup and then shake it in some sugar and then let it dry. Depending on how much fruit you're wanting to sugar is how much simple syrup you will need. Today I'm just going to use 1/4 cup of water and 1/4 cup of sugar. Just going to stir this and then pop it in the microwave for 1 minute. Okay, into the microwave we go. While that's microwaving, do me a favor and hit like on this video, especially if you like sugared fruit, because sugar and fruit is just like the bee's knees. And subscribe to my channel with the notification bell. Check out all of my previous videos. Very informational, and they will make your kitchen so much more delicious. All of the sugar should be dissolved. If it's not, just give it a quick stir and the heat should dissolve the rest of that sugar. Okay, we're looking good. Our simple syrup is made. We need to allow our simple syrup to cool so we don't ruin our fruit. Basically, it's going to be the hardest part of sugaring your berries, is waiting for this stuff to cool. Now that our syrup has cooled down, I just have some extra granulated sugar here. And now it's time to start sugaring our berries. All of our berries are washed and dried. Now we're going to just give them a quick dunk into the syrup and allow the syrup to drip off until it's just a nice thin coat onto the fruit, and then we'll roll it into our sugar. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. Sprinkle this with sugar. So the granulated sugar is going to stick to the syrup that is on the fruit. So if there's excess syrup, there will be excess sugar stuck to your fruit. Okay, here's our sugared blackberry. I'm just going to allow that to sit and dry and harden for about 5 minutes, just on some parchment paper or, a plate, something like that. That's as easy as it is. Now it's just time to repeat. I've finished sugaring all of the berries. They've been sitting and drying, which means that the sugar is hard on the berries. So you can pick them up, handle them, place them on your desserts as needed. The sugar is not going to be falling off in big clumps and is very sweet and delicious to the taste. Now you see how simple it is to sugar your berries. So next time you need to elevate your desserts a little bit, you can do it easily.